For the first time ever, and I do mean ever, in like 25, 30, however many trials I've done, we've done something we've never done before. And that is we hired a trial paralegal. Her sole job, and I do mean her sole job, was to do the trial with us. She wasn't really involved with the discovery of the case until we went to the pre-trial conference, and then she joined us at counsel table. We actually had 2 tables for the defense team because there was just so many attorneys and it was a 2-defendant case. But hiring this woman was the best investment I've ever made as a criminal defense attorney. Why? She made my job 1,000 times easier. She made everything run smooth, and she made sure the client felt heard and had someone to talk to on breaks when I had to deal with my friends at the front table, as I call them, but the prosecutors, about discovery issues and evidence issues. And it was just phenomenal. And I remember speaking with her, and her name was Nato. I remember speaking to Nato the day before we started the trial, and she said, "What kind of snacks do you like?" And I tell her, and I think we're having casual chit chat. I show up the next day. She's got my snacks. She's got the water. She's got notepads and post-its and just all the supplies there. She's coordinating all the exhibits. She's hustling the prosecutor. She's hustling the paralegal for the U.S. Attorney's Office about stuff that we're missing. And at the end of the day, she sits down with a transcript and she goes through the exhibits that went in to make sure the transcript correctly says what went in, and she checks against her records. And when we are putting in our exhibits at trial, I don't have to putz around with a computer and do this to make sure it's showing to everyone. She does this, and it's seamless and it's smooth, and it was great. So if you're going to trial, and if you're like, I have my legal team, what else do I need? Really consider getting yourself a trial paralegal, because going forward, I'll never do a trial without one.